solve the application of the rate of change of quantity on the rate of change of quantity. Some problems are solved in previous lecture. Now again solving some problems are that topic. Question are given: the side of square is increasing at the rate of change of 0.2 centimeter per second. Find the rate of increases the perimeter of a square. Square, the side of square is increasing. किसी स्क्वायर की जो साइड है उसका इंक्रीजिंग गिवन है 0.2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. फाइंड करना है द perimeter of square. Now we find solution. Let A be side and P is perimeter of square. Given that dA upon dt 0.2 centimeter per second are given, and find dp upon dt. We know that by definition of differentiation, dp upon dt equal to dp upon dA into dA upon dt. And we know that P is equal to 4A, perimeter of square, by dp upon dt is equal to d upon dA definition of 4A into value of d upon dt 0.2, or by the dp upon dt is equal to definition of the 4 into 0.2, or by the dp upon dt is equal to 0.8 unit or centimeter unit. That is answer. Same problem already solved. d upon dt सेंटीमीटर, और गिवन इसकी यूनिट राइट डाउन यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. जो गिवन है पहले उसको राइट डाउन कर जाओ, इसके बाद मेंशन कर देगा इसकी प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ here next problem, the radius of circuit is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increasing of its circumference? किसी सर्किट का रेडियस में जो चेंजिंग हो रहा है वो 0.7 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड है. उसकी रेडियस इस रेट से चेंज हो रही है. Define what is the increasing of its circumference. Circumference को डिनोट करिए. सॉल्यूशन let R be radius and S be circumference of circuit. then given that dr upon dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second and ds upon dt। क्लियर कर जाइए प्रॉब्लम को। सर्किल का रेडियस लेट कर लिया गया, सर्कमफ्रेंस इज एस अब एंड गिवन द इंक्रीजिंग रेट ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग ऑफ रेडियस dr upon dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second। We find ds upon dt, the increasing rate of circumference। We know that by definition of differentiation ds upon dt is equal to ds upon dr into dr upon dt। ds upon dt is equal to, since s is equal to 2 pi r, dr upon dt is 2 pi r into value of dr upon dt 0.7, ds upon dt is equal to 2 pi r will be constant taking outside into differentiation of r with respect to radius r is 1 into 0.7, r plus ds upon dt is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 value of pi 0.7, 7 will be cancelled out and multiply the ds upon dt is equal to 44 into 0.1, or we get ds upon dt is equal to 4.4 units। The rate of change of description, that's all।